The SendSafely integration for Salesforce enables you to securely send and receive sensitive and large files directly from your Salesforce portal. Here's how it works. First, we'll play the role of your end user, uploading files to our case using the SendSafely drop-zone widget, which you can set up easily on your digital experience site. All files uploaded here are end-to-end encrypted on the client-side machine by SendSafely software. They are inaccessible to employees of SendSafely and Salesforce by design. These files can also be larger than what Salesforce normally allows, up to 99 files per submission, easily 10 gigabytes each. On submission, a secure link to the package that contains these files is placed in the location of your choosing. Today, we'll go with a Chatterfeed item. But this could just as easily be a case comment or even a custom property. And while we're highlighting a case-based workflow today, you can just as easily set up our drop-zone widget on any object detail page, including that of a custom object. Don't have a digital experience site? No problem. You can still configure the drop-zone on a web-to-case form. You can also use our inbound serverless email gateway to encrypt attachments or email bodies and attachments bound for your email-to-case address. With a hosted drop-zone connector, you can create a new case or update an existing case upon drop-zone submission. Your agent will use a quick text or template to direct your end user to a hosted drop-zone URL from your SendSafely portal. This hosted drop-zone page is white-labeled with your logo, your color scheme, and a custom URL from your own domain. Here, your end user can upload files and optionally include a secure message containing sensitive text. When they submit this package, your connector can create a new case or update an existing case with a secure link to this submission. SendSafely can host this connector for you, but we encourage you to self-host it in your own AWS, Azure, or GCP environment. Regardless of how you're collecting encrypted end-user submissions, your agents can view those submissions directly from the Salesforce Agent app, which you'll install on their view of the case or any other object record page. Your agents can preview PDF, image, and video files right from here, and you can watermark those PDFs and images with their email address. You can also control whether they are able to download these types of files. Agents can only view submissions to packages on which they are recipients, allowing you to limit access to privileged subsets of agents and to set up different drop zones for different teams of Salesforce users at your organization. Your support agents can also use the Agent app to send outbound packages to your end users. Lastly, you can map package access to case assignment and status, revoking access from agents who've been reassigned and revoking all access upon case closure. With SendSafely for Salesforce, you can protect both inbound and outbound transfers of sensitive data directly from your favorite CRM. For more information on SendSafely's Salesforce integration, check out the links in the video description.